Hello everyone. So our forest card ka 2025 C-set portion though. Let's try to solve this one. Right. I'm the unbe check whether you did it correctly or not. Now here the first question. First question is from coding and decoding. Alright. So this is from reasoning topic. Coding and decoding day. Name si mikta ase, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, S, D, X, Y, and Z. Now they're asking us to find the missing term in the following series. So A, B, and D, they can say next is D, G, and K, and so on. So they usually the first one A, B, arrow D. So they A arrow B as a next is what? C arrow D. That means it is 0 as a 1 as A la next is B, and then B, C, ekta cap logida D as a. Let's check the next one. D, G, and K. That means D, the E and F 2 as a, and G, H, I, J, and K 3 as a. So this can be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, cross check rule. Next one day, H, M, arrow S. So the H or M major ki man ase 1 2 3 4. Yes, this is 4. That means itu 5 ase na nai. Let's check M 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, that means ide 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So we need 10 or 11 tha kya do to yedi usually do C do right away omit ase because C or A majure bishi dagibo, right? And then from Ulta usually do ekta bhi nai. Now here Z or K, W, Z, K, U, X, K, W is. So let's check B, right? B hobo nishina se. Let's check Z as a, and then K as a, W as a. So Z or K mature then as na nai. So here 1 2 Z again A wapas aibo. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so far ठीक আছে হলি গে আৰু W মাজৰে 11 আছে না নাই 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yes, so here B is the answer. Next one is from Guans. All right, average topic per se, and then they're asking us to find what is their sum. That means average of 5 number is given us 20. So they're asking us to find the sum. Now average la formula is average is equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Average is given us 20 is equal to sum kiman number as a 5 number as a. So here we'll write 5 number. So sum will get what? 20 into 5 is 100. So here C is the answer. Next one though figures la se, right? Yadi usually though dagan yadi missing ase to yadi ki dalibo. So yadi inacta hoina inacta dalibo na nai, and then we need this one or no, like this. So yadi daga do kuti ase. Which one is it? I think it's 3 because kili 3 is equal to yate ekta side de chuto wala ase and ekta lamba wala ase. Yadi do equal distance, right? So 3 will be the answer. So here C is the answer. Question number 4. 4 with same thing ase. Size equal to yate we need something like this or no? And then we need one up here. that means yate ini aina yate daga to kuti ase this one is cancel kile manle yati bra ase idu nolobo yati bra hanoi mon yati bra hanoi so it will be cancel ase and then what about this one but yate itu nai so this is also cancel that means 4 ase na nai so D is the answer next to pattern ekta dakibo idu reasoning bra ase reasoning so here A dash C A B ina ase so let's check A B C A B C A A B C A A B C A A B C A chances say A B C A de follow question let's check so A we need B to ke ase yete ase so here B A B C A B C ase yes then A ase yes B C A B C ase na nai ase aro itu bijit A ase na nai A B C A that means B is the answer itula dali chuli to bai jabo question number 6 is from reasoning again alphanumeric series ase do they are asking us to find in the following sequence how many even number are immediately followed by an odd number even number so let's take any even number which is 2 so followed by an odd number means odd number okay let's take 1 immediately preceded by a sample that means 2 nahagide even number nahagide sample ekta thakibo lagibo so sample even odd yedi kiman ase sample ase even odd 1 ase sample even odd 2 ase sample even odd 3 ase sample even and odd charta ase so here D is the answer next though this is also from coding and decoding now ye decoding and decoding there one let's keep this in mind right yete coding and decoding de alphabet to 26 take letters divided by 2 gule 13 power asana nai so let's pack that one A B C D E F G H I J K L and M N O B Q R S D U V W X Y and Z their corresponding number to ase A to 1 ase then B will be 2 C 3 D E 5 ase this will be 10 this will be 13 14 15 ase this will be 20 and this will be 25 and then Z is 26 so here this I usually do CAD is 3120 ase so C to 3 ase na nai C to 3 ase yes C to 3 ase A to 1 ase na nai T to 20 ase na nai yes here 1 ase so 3120 pass it that means dog will be what dog will be nothing but D is 4 O is 15 and G will be 7 or no so 4157 is 4157 is option A next though x plus y is equal to 8 and then they're asking us to find x or y is given us 15 and they're asking us to find the value of x cube plus y cube now yeah there apni on chane manu as chane na thakile formula chane thakile just put the formula and do it all right then x cube plus y cube la formula is nothing but this is x plus y whole square minus 3xy ase right idu olop modify korulise olop to modify korise asol laga formula will be x plus y x square plus y square minus xy ase minus xy right just give me a minute right तो ये दे साइशी गुली दो minus 3xy do mon kile ahi juli do x plus y whole square la formula ki ase x square plus y square and then plus 2xy avuna nai yes to yede minus 3 dhale ase juli do minus 3xy dhale ase juli do are we getting x square plus y square minus xy over sai ase na nai to olop modify korna mon itu chulaise kili itu chulaise juli do because of x plus y ekla digina ase xy digina ase so just put the value x plus y to ki ase 8 ase yes the x plus y square ase 8 square ase minus 3xy is nothing but 15 so here 8 square is 64 minus 3 15 times is 45 to yede kiman dibo yede 8 takibo into this will give us what 19 dia ase na nai 19 so here 8 19 times is what just take it 8 20 times aro 8 1 time korna minus kori dibi so 20 times is 160 minus 8 will give us 152 so this is the answer B is the answer right acha 9 is from the reasoning blood relation bra ase the blood relation de pointing to a woman I said that her brother's only son is the brother of my wife ठीक ase I said that means moi ko ase I'm pointing to a woman so let's say woman is here and then her brother ko ase that means her brother so for me square do ki ase male ase circle do female ase right and this line represents siblings then I said that her brother's only son her brother this is the woman right woman then her brother only son that means son will be male again is the brother of my wife my means who I so moila wife then this equal represents spouse right so my wife means I will be a kai or no yes so why ka brother so here I is here right I means kun bro ko ase taigi ko ase so question bro they say how is the woman related to me yade sorry to takado kun mano ase taibra woman ke kina matibo ina ko ase so I is here moi woman ki matibo moi laga maiki laga papa laga sibling or no and female ase that means sister-in-law so here father-in-law's sister right not sister-in-law but father-in-law ka sister ho right next is then they this is also from coding and decoding right this time reasoning bra coding and decoding or classification bishi agina ase so in a certain code language MIC is written as 13 9 and 3 now akide moi corresponding number likha nishina right like this one MIC ko ase so here MIC means what M is 13 right I is what I is 9 C is 3 so 13 9 3 chulai na asna nai let's check 13 9 3 chulai na takile they're just following the corresponding number so let's check yes 13 9 3 chulai na ase steam also same thing S is what 19 T is 20 E is 5 M is 13 so dan hodia se P R O P hodia se so M N O B that means here this one is O is 15 O and next to P ase that means here 16 abo R S and D that means R is 18 here is 15 and this is 16 that means 16 18 15 that means 16 18 15 16 B is the answer right 16 18 15 16 right next one 11 is from discount all right percentage topic पर ase तो yade ki kwa ase a book is sold for 240 rupees after a discount of 20%. What was its original price? So yade original price to najane, so let's say cost price to 100% ase boli do the selling price to kiman ba bigi guse 20% loss. That means selling price becomes 20% loss as well. Minus over 20% is 80 ho minus kuri dile 80, and 80 is equivalent to 240 rupees or no. They are asking us to find the 100%. If the 1% becomes 80 though, right side delay, then this is nothing but 3 or no, 3, because 240 divided by 80 is 3. So here 100% bisabo lagibo. So 100% is equal to 1% is 3 into 100, because 1% into 100 is 100%, 300 rupees. D is the answer. Acha, this one is from classification. So here with some similarity, the answer will be what? Provoke. Next one also from coding and decoding again. Coding and decoding. So yeah, there. Coding and decoding though. I think this is the fourth or third question. So let's check. 1, 3, 4 means good and desti kwase. 4, 7, alright, means see good pictures. ठीक है, their question पर क्या होती है तो which of the following digits stand for C? C होती है C तो कुछ ऐसे C तो याती है C तो याती है. Now here pictures are fan C एक तभी नहीं तो याते good and tasty ऐसे याती क्या ऐसे good pictures ऐसे. So good तो कुछ ऐसे याती भी ऐसे pictures कुछ ऐसे picture तो याती भी ऐसे. That means यदि 7 to 9 दे चुलाला number दो ऊपर दे भी एकता देखो लगो 4, 7, 8. That means 7 is pictures है, right? यदि could आरो यदि भी could ऐसे, that means 1, 3, 4 आरो 4, 7, 8 दे एकता similarity number देखो किले एकता देखो बोली दो यदि could and tasty see good pictures माचोड़ी भी only one word similarity ase ito one number be inia wo. That means 4 belongs to could or no. So yede 4 do could ase yede 7 do pictures ase. That means 4 or 7 already usually do ki bache ase 8 bache ase. So C is 8 or no. D is the answer. Right, mosaic tiles and this one. So there's same thing, classification ase. Then the answer is what? Trade ase. Next one is 15. Average la je do quants pra se average topic pra se yate average de one shortest smart approach to ki ase boli do first difference check koribi 2 aro 10 8 aro 10 majority ki ase 2 difference ase 10 aro 12 majority 2 ase yate bi 2 ase that means sob la number majority difference is 2 or no. So in that case yate khatile yate khati dibi yadi kati dibi that means middle part ki balje 12 ase. So answer do ina ko parbo, right? Of course with the help of formula which is average is equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation kona korile answer pai jabo. Sum of observation means 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 divided by kiman number ase 5 ta ase ina korile you'll get 12, right? But ina elimination prabi smart approach ase to. Next one though alright yadi be reasoning ase. So here they're saying select the odd one from the given series hoti ase thik ase. So yade let's check 61 47 61 64 71 ase. So difference kiman ase yade 3 ase, and then here how much is it? This will give us 6 7 ase. Yede difference kiman ase 3 ase, yede difference kiman ase 7 ase. That means 3 7 3 7 difference ase. Then one will be I think Allah ko pare only be let's check yede kiman ase. Yes 3 ase, yede kiman 7 ase. That means 100% sure no. D is the answer. Let's check yede 3 ase only yede do 9 ase. So D is the answer. Next also What is the next term in the sequence? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. Alright. So yadibi ki azigulido number series as a number series. Let's check number series per group. What do we do? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30 and question mark. So the difference is what? 4, 6 as a, 8 as a. Alright, so this is what? Even number starting from 4, 10 as a. This will be 12 or no. So here 42 30 plus 12 will give us 42. Then C is the answer. A rectangular field has a length of 20 meter and width of 15 meter. That means mensuration, Brazil. Alright, area. So if what is its area? What they say? Now we know. Length is given 20 meter. Width it means breadth 15 meter. Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. That means 20 into 15 is nothing but 300. So answer is A. Next one. 19 though. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. That means this is from algebra. Algebra say. Alright. What then the value of x square plus 1 by x square is? Very easy. In this case, you just do like this. Only for x square plus 1 by x square, right? PYQ be ekta questions in a dagishine, right? Now similar as a x plus 1 by x day 4 dagile 4 square kuri and minus 2, right? So 4 square is 16, minus 2 is 14. So 14 might be the answer. Let's check. Solution to kina dagiyo guli deo x plus 1 by x to 4 as guli do. Let's square root both side. That means square root kurile 1x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 square. Then here a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square to 1 square to 1 as a it only 1 by x square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means here cancel or no? 4 square is 16. That means here x square plus 1 by x hoti as equal to 16 de 2 do ite do 2 into 1 is 2. That means 2 padale minus 2, which will be what? 14 or no? So answer by Lucia. But the earlier one mo agide first quado, that was the smart approach. Now next one. Next is what? Perimeter of a square. Alright, again from the area. Mensuration under as it one. So what if the perimeter of a square is 48? Perimeter of a square. Perimeter means sum of all the sides quasi. Square the all sides are equal. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means perimeter becomes 4a or no. And then perimeter la from kiman digina se 48 digina se. Then 4 to pataile divided by 4. Side becomes 12 over. Then the length of the its sides quasi. That means 12 as the answer is what? B. They're asking us to find x. X would say solve for x. Here the equation is what? 2x plus 5 is equal to 17 as a. That means 5 to right side patale 17 minus 5 oh. Then this will give us 12. That means x 2 to patale divided by 2. This will give us 6. X is equal to 6. B is the answer. Now even here, right, this is the third question, similar type. Yes. And then we have here and here. That means this side there, there. Even here also cross has that means this is also omitted, and then this will be the answer or no, because itu nai. That means 3 is the answer. C is the answer. Next one is from quant second. Time in work. Quants to maths is right, but quants reasoning in as alag. So here A can do a work in 6 days, B can do it in 8 days. How long will they take together? So time in work ase A bra kam ekta do 6 days de khatam gura ase, B bra same kam do 8 days de kam khatam gura ase. That means tajun equal milaina kurishi kuli do kiman din de kam khatam guribo. So time in work day, very important thing. We need to keep in mind that 1 day work done first pisao lagibo. So here if a do 6 day de kam kure juli do ek tin de 1 by 6 kam kutum paribo na nai even for b 8 days de kam kutum kure juli do that means ek tin de 1 by 8 parts of it kam kutum kuro na nai question bra mangi ase a plus b milai na kiman din de kutum kuro that means 1 day work is 1 by 6 1 day work is 1 by 8 LCM of 6 and 8 will give us 24, right? Lowest common factor. All right, now here 6 how much times? 4 times, and 8 3 times. This will give us 7 by 24. However, this is only for 1 day work class. So ulta kurile a plus b ulta kurile this becomes 24 by 7 katile 7 3s are 21 3 in hand 0.74 times is 28. Yes, and then 2. Alright, let's check. 24 by 7 7 3 times is 21, right? 3 in hand 0.0. that means here we'll get 7 4s are 28. Yeah, the 2 0 that means 7 what 2 times 14 3.49. so here closest to guess it 3.5. this is the answer. Right, plunder I go maybe just let me know. I'm also solving right now. Okay, next one is what common interest brase. Well, we doesn't have to apni formula nachane libi we can do it right away. Right, question is palo purile mon pari jabo yede common interest though on 5,000 rupees that means principal to 5,000 ase 10% rate de interest to dile per annum for 2 years paisa to kiman hobo interest to kiman ho 2 years de ina hoti ase. Now here without formula, alright, without formula mon aram se solve kuru paro yade principal to 5,000 ase first year karne, right? First year karne interest to 10% ase that means rate will be 10%. So 10% of 5,000 will give us 500 kile gule yate 5,000 do 100% ase gule do they're asking us to find 10%. that means 10% to guess yate 10% ase gule do point to yate tanile 500 will be 10%. Right, normal method will be what 10% of 5,000 10 by 100 into 5,000 then 2 cancel 10 into 50 is 500 same by job. Now next common interest is do yede inagure second year day 2 years teaches that means second year day principal will not be 5,000 this will be 5,500 interest day 1 plus principal do. Right, so here rate to same hobo 10% hobo to yede itula sab chaise uli do 100% do 5500 ase 10% will be point ektanele 550 ase na 550. Yes, so interest to tuita salde first salde 500 tuita salde 550 ase that means 1050 hobo na B is the answer. Next one 25 de triangles kiman ase hodi ase figure counting ase. Alright, this is figure counting. Yede triangle do ina groovy this is the shortcut yede 1 ase yede 2 ase yede 3 ase yede 4 ase that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus correlate this will give us 10. So here D is the answer. Next one 26 this is also from what wrong number series in we go paru this is ekta kaldi thakibo we have to find that one. So yede 2 3 5 7 9 11 13 so looks like prime numbers prime number starts from where 2 not 1. Right, so 2 prime number means divisible by each number and 1 only. So 2 3 prime number 4 prime number 7 prime number but not 9 is not a prime number. Right, 11 is a prime number 13 is a prime number so here 9 is the answer. They're asking us to find x or x piece lagibo so here 2 bracket x minus 3 ase is equal to 4x plus 2 ase. So here the bracket kulibi 2 into x will give us 2x minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 4x plus 2 ase. Then you keep constant and break the one side or variable take the lujabi. So here minus 6 ase plus 2 to anile minus 2 jabo 4x ase 2x to lujale minus 2x. So here minus minus will give us plus, so 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Sign will give us minus, 6 is greater number, 6 carries minus sign. Now here 4x minus 2x will give us what? 2x ase. So here 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So are we getting x is equal to minus 4 or no? So here C is the answer. Now what about for this one? This is what? In the jabo for sure. And then we will have what? Like this. That's it. And then what's next? So here cross diagonal arrow, cross diagonal like this. So here this one, this. So let's check. Similar to this one, itula similar, right? So here I will like go. Since this one and this one is related, that means in our though not like this, but this will be. Wait a minute. Okay. So here this one is it was a inactive. Yes, inactive. That means this is omitted. So here there's a this is omitted. Chance as a. Let's check. And then what's next? Next will be upper. It was a so give us this one. So here niche by will so niche by will this is wrong or no? Kiliman yeti by will so 4 is the answer. D is the answer. Next one is from time, speed and distance. Alright, so yeah, the key thing is if a train travels at a speed of 60 km per hour, 60 km per hour speed though 60 km per hour, this means what? 1 hour day 60 km charge. They're asking us to find 30 minutes day kimman tour jawa, right? Kimman tour jawa, that means 30 minutes is what? Half of 1 hour, no? That means half of 60 is what? 30 km. So here 30 km will be answer, no? Next, a bottle contains 2 liters of juice. If a glass holds 25 ml, ठीक है से class एक तादे 250 ml ase. We know 100 will give us 1 liter. 1000 will give us 1 liter. Then how many full glasses can be filled? So here 250 to ml to asiguli to into 4 times will give us 1 liter, no? That means 4 glass. Then we need 2 liter, right? That means 4 into 2 will give us 8 glass, which is into 2 will give us 2 liter, no? So here C is the answer. Which number is not a perfect cube? Cube means what? 2 cube ase do correct ase. 16 is 3 cube pin hoy. So 16 is the answer because 64 is what? 4 cube ase. And then 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So this should be as although sub the actually though 2 3 4 5 I say that means this should be 27. LCM of 72 128 216 ase. So LCM though yatina kure 72 ase 128 ase 216 ase. Lowest common multiple. So the 2 was shuru be 2 3 and 6 times 2 6 times 4 times 2 1 times 2 8 times. Next is what? 2 1 times 2 8 times 2 3 times, 2 times, 2 5 times, and 4 times. 2 9 times, 2 1 times, 6 times, 2 times is 4, 2 7 times. Alright. And then let's do with 3 times. Then we did napare 3 9 times. We have another 3 1 times, 16 times, 3 times. Then ide 3 be ek taibo, right? 1 16 as a 3. Then 16 the club this is 1. That means here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 tau. So this will give us 16. This is nothing but again 2 will give us 8. Right? 2 into 2 into 2 will give us 8 into 3 is a 24. Yes, 3. So 3 cube is what? 3 cube is 27 as a into kimam bajin as a 16 bajin as a. So you just multiply this one. Now you have the unit digit size usually the sub 6 as a. So we cannot answer this one with the help of unit digit again. So open I so multiply kuru lagibo. So 8 27 times 8 7 times is 56. 5 and 9 8 to the 16 plus 5 will give us 21 into 16 again. 6 6 is 36. 3 and 9 2 1 6 1 9 12 6 1 2. So here 6 5 4 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 A is the answer. Next one though, they're asking us to find the n term ka series to ki chulao yede this one 2 6. Alright, let's check. Idu series de paunimide kundu la formula chulao. So n plus 1 is the answer. Kiligule if you place 1 instead of n. 1 bracket 1 plus 1 is 1 into 2 will give us 2. Now for the next one 6 I will you try with 2 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 in a jaw. You check here 3, check here 4 5 6 and so on. So here 33 there, A is the answer. Next one. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, so equilateral triangle means all sides are equal again. All sides are equal. Perimeter means side of sum of the sides. That means side 1 2 3 equal as it. That means 3 sides as it. Let's take A is equal to 36 as it. That means 3 1 times 3 1 and 12 times. Side to 12 as the length of one side to say. That means C is the answer. Next one 35 is from direction, right? Reasoning where I say C and D start cycling from their fitness club. C writes 1 kilometer west. That means west as you do. This is north, this is south, east, west. So C do 1 kilometer west jase. Then turns to his left. Left means if direction in is as left to niche, right will be upside. That means left pale and right 5 kilometers. So here pale 5 kilometers. In the meanwhile, D writes 3 kilometers south, right, and turns west and right 7 kilometers. Then turns to his left and right 2 kilometers. Where is C with respect to T? Okay, so Taijun B fitness club pra shuru kurishi. So fitness club is here. Then D do writes 3 kilometers south ko ase. So south as niche bala south, yes niche. If D is here, D B ase yede C B ase do niche de hebo. So 3 do pura 5 to upper na jabo par nokru. So 3 as it could be. And then turns west ase. West is what? Left side ase. So turns west and right 7. So since this is only 1, that means 7 do to the cross crunch abo lagibo. Yes, 7. 7 ase. Then turns to his left and right 2. That means here yetiba mantak 3 as you do. Yetiba mantak to ki ase 2 ase. So yete can we do this way? Diagram to ina banao paribo. So here, since if this is 3, yeti emantak also 3 hobo 2 as ulido yeti be 2 bona nai because yeti emantak hado 5 ase. So here 3 or 2 ase. Yete D ase. Yete C do rukhina ase. Right, question is asking us to find where is C with respect to T. That means T bra C ki sabo. D is here. C is on his right side. That means east palesina nahi. East palesina nahi. Yes, if D is here and C is here, that means right side means what? East palese. East te tagala option do tuita ase. It's either A or D. So difference of these two sides to kiman ase guli to yatibra iman tak. Alright, yatibra iman tak to 7 ase. Yede 1 ase, yede 6 ase guli to from here till here also 6 ite gula nai. So 6 kilometer east will be the answer. Look at this series 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13. Then what number should come next? So actually do alternate 13, 12, 13, 14 ase. 11, 12, 13. That means here 14 I wanna nai. Sorry. 11, 12, 13. Yes, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here 11, 12, 13 yede 14 I wanna nai. So 14 asina nai. Nai. So let's check another style. Yade minus 1 was nai. Right. We can try the next pattern. 12 minus 1 will give us 11. So 12 minus 1 yede plus 2 was nai. Minus 1 plus 2, that means yede minus 1 plus 2 will give us 15 or no? 15 the option they say. Yes, A is the answer. Next one. 5 books cost 200 rupees. That means 5 books is equal to 200 rupees. Will be 1 book to kiman barkinishe 40 rupees barkinishe because 5 1 times 5 40 times. So if 1 book is equal to 40, that means they are asking us to find 8 books laga. So here 8 books will be what? Into 8 or no? So 40 into 8. Kitab ekta de 40 rupees agile atta de kiman ho? 40 into 8 320. So 320 is the answer. Now next one, hermit. Alright, this one diplomat. This will be what? Negotiation ho. And the next one 39 do again from the figures again. Saishugule yade nichi chase yadi bi nichi chase. That means itu upper chasulu yadi upper chawana nai. So upper chado itu ase. It will be no upper but wrong direction. Yes. So here 1 is the answer no. A is the answer no. Which of the following number is divisible by 9? So number yede option itagado. Which number is divisible by 9 gulido? C as a. Because 9 cube is 729. So 729 to case divisible by 9 hobo. Sum of their first 20 natural number. First 20 natural number laga sum hoti ase. So natural number starts from 1. Right. 1, 2, 3 ina chado 20 chabo lagibo. So in this case 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 till plus 20 chabo lagibo. Time 9. So in this case you just follow this way. N plus 1 by 2 de cholabi to find the sum. Whereas n is what? The last number 20. So here 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 10 times. So this is nothing but 10 into 21. 210. 210 is the answer. Right, 210. A is the answer. Next. Okay, what is the value of 259 square minus 117 square? So here we can apply a square minus b square to kese a plus b, a minus b. So here 259 de plus 117 as a. Next one is 259 de minus 117 as a. So here this will give us what? 9 plus 7 is what? 6 6 7 and then 2 3 into minus kule. This will give us what? 2 and then this will give us what? 4 1. So here 3 7 6 1 4 2. 2 6 times is 12. Will be yede option de yede be 2 ase 2 ase 2 ase. So we have to check. So 2 6 times is 12 1 in hand, 14 15 1 in hand, 6 7 24 2 in hand, 28 0 3 in hand, 12 13 14 15 6 7 3 2 9 13 and then this will give us what? 6 12 13 1 in hand and 5 3 3 9 2. 5 3 3 9 2. Option A is the answer. Now this one is from factorial, right? Factorial la hote ase. This is simplification only, but factorial tagile kina kru 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial ase. So yate 7 factorial tagile number key number ase tatira decrease kurna jabo, multiply kurna will stop at 1. So here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 jabo tagi dekise. Only be nichi de yedi 5 factorial ase, that means 5 factorial will be 5 4 3 2 1 I will say yedi 5 4 3 2 1 I will say, and then tajunla maturity be 2 factorial ase, that means into hogina. So 2 into 1 likile, cancel 2 3 times, that means 7 3 times is 21. B is the answer. Next one. Next is from alphanumeric series again. So far alphanumeric series, coding, decoding, classification from reasoning, direction ekta questions aise, right? Ito ani takise. So let's check. Yedi ki ko ase, if the second half of the English alphabet is reverse, then which letter will be fourth to the right of the 20th letter from the right end? So yede let's check. Half to kundo A B C D E F G H I, yede N will 13 ho na nai, because 26 alphabet ase, half means what? 13 ho. So 13 do second half of the English alphabetical is reverse. So here N till Z to reverse kurle, here ita to Z I wanna nai, right? Yadi Y I wanna nai. Likewise N will come here, O will come here or no? In I wanna reverse kurle. Then which letter will be fourth to the right of the 20th letter from the right? That means right la 20 I will. That means here we know now from here till here is what? 13. Yes, 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So this is 20 or no, from right. Then fourth to the right. Fourth to the right means what? This way. 1 2 3 4 ase. This is the one. That means K is the answer. K is the answer. So this was what? Any questions one time waste could you nimine tagiche. Reverse no gulbi you come takanai. Next one, 45. If a clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, and so on, how many times will it strike on 12 o'clock? That means ek bar 1 o'clock de, 2 bar 2 o'clock de, 3 ina chado 12 lao de se. That means here first 12 natural number nishina wasna nai. Kimam bar strike kro. That means ekta 2 bar 3 bar 4 o'clock de 4 bar 5 de 5 bar ina chado 12 o'clock de 12 times strike kro na nai. So just apply the earlier one. Sum of first 20 natural number bisar nishina yedebi first 12 natural number nishina n plus 1 by 2. So here 12 into 12 plus 1 by 2. So here 2 6 times 6 into 13 would give us 1878. So 78 times strike rule. Next one. Next is if the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square. So area of a circle is nothing but by r square is equal to 154 as a. Then radius would say so by the 22 by 7 July mensuration day, right? Now here r square is equal to 154. 11 2 times 11 1 4 times 2 7 times. That means r square is equal to 7 yedik dase niche wala nile yede into 7 hobo. So r square becomes what? 7 hobo na nai. 49 ase square dile root over abo. That means r is equal to 7 hobo na nai. They're asking us to find the radius. Radius is what? 7 ase. Find the missing number in the sequence. 3 6. Alright, so yede 3 ase, 6 ase, 11 ase, 18 ase, and then we have 38. Okay, dash and 38. Right. So yede kiman gap ase 3 ase, kiman gap 5 ase, yede kiman gap 7 ase. That means odd ase 3 5 7. Let's check. Yede 9 ase na nai aro utula number la next day 11 hona nai. So if you place it 9 here, then this becomes 27. 27 like 11 is 38. So 27 is the answer. A man walk 8 kilometer north and then the 6 kilometer east. So this is direction. So a man is here, 8 kilometer walk কৰিছে upper, and then 6 kilometer east, that means east is this way, 6 আছে. How far is he from the starting point? ইয়াতে পৰা start কৰিছে, ইয়াতে end কৰিছে, কিমান দূৰ আছে, that means ইয়াতে পৰা ইমান তাক ইনা shortcut যাব পাৰিব না নাই. So this gives us what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle de Pythagoras theorem চলাব পাৰিব. So ইটো হতে আছে. So hypotenuse আছে, this is what? Question mark is hypotenuse. So let's just name it A, B and C. Right, so here AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square 6 square, then 10 will be the answer. 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. This will give us 100. Yede AC square say AC the square patale, root over of 100 is nothing but root over of 10 square, square cancel, 10 is the answer. 10 kilometer. Alright, conductor, alright, this thing director will what? This will be movie. Alright, next one, probability of getting a head when flipping a fair coin is. This is from probability topic. A fair coin de, one coin de, two face take, two face. That means total number of outcome. Right, probability la formula ki ase, favorable outcome by total number of outcome. That means here takan hotia do head hotia ase. Coin ekta de we have only one head, which is one head or one tail thake. So head hiu dia juli do coin ekta de do ektai thakibo, total kiman bra possibility duita bra. That means half ka decimal de khatile, this will give us 0.519. That means B is the answer. 51 de a number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%, the net change is. Alright, so this one though we can do it by successive method also. Right, without successive method also we can apply it. Alright, so let's check. Number though 100% since it's not mentioned. It increased by 20%. That means first though 20% by increase crucially though 20% of 100 to 20 ase. So here 120 ho jabo na nai. Yes, 120 ase. And then decrease by 20%. That means decrease crucially though minus 20% hobo. So 20% of 120 is not 20% of 120 is not 20. Itu ki ase though 20% of 120 though 20% means divided by 100. This will be 24, right? So 120. So here cancel. This will give us 24. So here 24 subtract crore like go. So 120 minus 24. Right, of 120 is nothing but 24 say. So here they minus 24 crore, this will give us 96. Starting day exo tagise, ending day 96 as. That means kiman bar degrees square se, 4 degrees square se. Alright, next one. A sum of money double itself in 8 years at simple interest. Alright, you do simple interest per se. We don't have to use the formula also. With the formula also we can solve. So yeah, the starting date I busado exo takise. But after 8 years, double was means what? Tuiso was na. That means 8 years de tai exo tias na. Exo tiase. So exo do kiman percent de rate hotias divided by 8, right? This will give us what? 1% rate hotiase, rate of interest hotiase. This means what? Atsal de aro another x hotiase. Right? We're just assuming a number, that's it. So here 100 tagado 200 ho jabo. That means 8 years de 100 doesn't nai. So you do katile, you will get 12.5, right? Apni on fraction de jane azuli do 1 by 8 is what? 12.5, right? So here 12.5% is the answer. Right, they're asking us to find the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here the difference is what? 3. Here the difference is what? 5. Here the difference is 7. Here the difference is what? 9. This difference is what? 11. Then this. Alright, this series though, they be similar tagishe, but they're just extra daligina hotiase. That's it. So this is 11. Right, This is what, 13, then this becomes 15 or no? That means here 66 hona nahi. 51 plus 15 will give us 66. That's it. A plus B is equal to 5. A, B is equal to 6. They're asking us to find A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Alright. So here A square plus B square. So from here, A plus B. A plus B is equal to 5. A square, B square. A square, squaring both sides. So here A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 25. So A square plus B square. Yate alright, since AB is given 6, then here plus 2 into 6 ko 25. A square plus B square is equal to 25 minus 6 2s are 12. This is nothing but 13. Alright, so here 13 answer say yes, 13 is the answer. Next one, x is given, y is given. They're asking us to find x square plus y square. Right, just put the value. Yeah, the 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, that means 4 plus 3 square is 9. Then here what, 13 C is the answer. Okay, next one. The fifth term of geometric progression is 81. Alright, yeah, the formula of geometric progression though. Right, this is what, mosquito ka. Alright, before question though viral no hagi de mosquito ekta do morai dise. Right, anyway, fifth term of geometric progression is 81. So here the formula will be what? Geometric progression ka formula is an is equal to ar n minus 1 as a is nothing but the first term, r is the common ratio as a. They are asking us to find the common ratio. So the fifth term gole a5 is equal to ar 5 minus 1. Fifth term kiman digina ase 81 is equal to ar 4 digina ase. Second term though 3 digina ase. That means let's say this is equation 1. Second term means a2 is equal to ar 2 minus 1 3 digina ase. A2 second term is 3 digina ase. So yede ar hobo na nai because 2 minus 1. Right, this is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So with the help of this equation 1 and 2, can we find the common ratio? Yes. Here the AR4 by AR is equal to 81 by 3. Alright. So here this will give us what? AA will be cancelled. Here the 1 as a. Then R by R to the power 4, R to the power 1 do ki ase. R4 minus 1 as a. That's search in indices system 1 rules as it. Then this will give us what? 3 2 is 6. And then 21 is 3 7 is 21. So R is equal to 3 is equal to 27. So R cube to batale. Alright, 27 as a. So here 3 la cube as an. So 3 is the answer. 3A is the answer. Right. Next. A car travels 120 km in 3 hours. ठीक है. What is the speed? Now we know a formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed to this. That means time to kick out korele distance by time will give us speed or no. Now distance to kiman digina se 120 digina se. Time is what? 3 hours. 3 1 times 3 40. That means here speed is equal to 40 km per hour. This is it. Next one. Okay, so this is what this answer will be. We have to check again. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so here this one, this, all right, this is it. Okay, so here we need something like this or no? This, and this. Sorry. So this is it or no? It will class A because box ekta de, then it like this or no? I mean here. Yes. So that's it. Question number 4. D is the answer. Option number D is the answer. Median ko ase. Median de mugan hoshar ko lagibo. Number degi na dagile first ascending order de arrange kuri lobo. Inora middle value lo ase. Now here already ascending order is smaller to bigger is 3, 7, 10, 15, 20. That means middle wala. That means here middle wala 10 asna nahi. B is the answer. 60. 60 though. Wait a minute. Okay, 60. So here we have this one, then we have like this. That means we need like this and this. So this is the answer. 2 is the answer. B is the answer. Next one, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. They're asking us to find the value of x. That means splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here constant number into coefficient of x square ka constant. That means it is 1 as a 6 into 1 will give us 6. LCM of 6 to ki as a 2 3s are. That means 2 plus 3 do 2 into 3 do it will value dibo lagibo 6. Same number do 2 or 3 do either plus or minus or na middle value do which is 5 dibo lagibo. That means here x square minus 3 plus 2 x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here x square is minus 3x minus plus into minus is minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3 minus 2 ase ede x minus common lo ase. That means plus becomes here minus korna plus dibo, right? That's why minus. Then 2 how much times? 3 times. So here again if you x minus 3 common lo le x minus 2 aibo is equal to 0. That means here the answer will be what? X minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X to minus 3 patale 3 ho jabo, yade x to 2 ho jabo. That means 2 3. That means A is the answer. Right. 62 is from again coding and decoding. Same pattern dakibo C or D ase. And then E F G tinda kep dagena H aibo I. That means tinda ase. Let's check. After 3 the fourth one I. J K L M. That means after 3 again. N. That means after 3 what I? M N divided after 3. O B Q R. R N S. That means here R N S to get this. Next one. Next to H present. H topic, right? A is twice as old as B. That means the A as A, the B as A. If X is equal to twice as old, that means 2x over 1 and B is 5 years as A. That means this is equivalent to 5 years. X is equal to 5. That means 2 into 5 will give us what? 10. So 10 is the answer. B is the answer. Next. How many letters in the sequence? Now here this is what? Again alphanumeric series, right? Reasoning. They're asking us to find letter. How many letters? So let's say any letters. Let's say B. Which are immediately preceded by a vowels. That means vowels means let's say A, E, I, O, U ase, that means A like ase vowels, and immediately followed by symbol, that means here. So here vowels, any alphabet and symbol. So vowels, any alphabet and symbol 1. Alright, vowels, any alphabet, symbol 2, vowels 3, and then we have 4, that means Tata say here A is the answer. Next one, a train 200-meter long moving at a speed, right, 50 km/h, right, km/h to kase gule speed la ase. So here speed tigina se, distance tigina se, meter de 200-meter long. Alright, so this is from train topic ase, train topic. So here 50 km/h crosses a pool in. So here they're asking us to find the time. Now distance is equal to what? Speed into time ase. Then time hoti ase bole to distance by speed ase. So yate time is equal to distance to 200 meters ase. Since the option is in terms of second, we need to convert. Speed is what? 50. Only km/h thaka karone we need to convert meter per second. So whenever you convert to meter per second, we multiply 5 by 18. Right? Yate meter per second hai. So meter will be cancelled, second ekla bajibo. Now here this will give us 250 into 5 ase. This 18 becomes opode ailo. Kiligule B by Q divided by M by N. It's nothing but B by Q into N by M ase. So here 200 divided by 1 ase, divided by 50 into 5 divided by 18 ase. So here 50 how much times? 4 times. Right, 4 times ase. So option is what in terms of point. Let's check. Okay, so this will give us this will give us 4 8 times is what? 2 3 9 72 by 5. Alright, did we do any blunder? Let's check. 200-meter long moving at a speed of 50 km/h. So km/h do meter per second change karo. So 5 by 18, and then we have 200-meter long. Right, where's the blunder? Let's check. Okay, let's check. But here 5 how much times? 1 times is 5, and then we have 22. So 4 times 20 and then 4 times, that means 14 seconds. 14 seconds will be the answer. Right, approximately loss 14.4 seconds as if this becomes 5, that means 15 seconds go like 15 option in right. But let me cross check again. 200-meter long distance as a 50 km/h, that means speed as a, and then since the option is given in terms of second, that means time hoti as a logically. So time will be what? Distance by speed. Distance is what? 200 meter. Speed is 50 km/h, but when you change to km/h to meter per second, 5 by 18 multiply grew, 5 by 18 multiply grew, and then what else? Okay, so here 54 times 200, that means 18 into 4 will give us 72. Yes, this is the answer. Next one, a man spent 40% of his income. If his income is 500, that means income to purapuri 500 rupees 5,000 rupees has to, that's 100% or no? So 40% spend crucially to yadibra 60% bachibo na nahi. Yes, 40% 100% bra 40% spend kurle 60% bachibo, because minus kurle 60 bajabo. Then here 60% becomes what? What do you say? So here from here 100% though 5,000 though 10% will be what? 500 rupees or no? So 10 into how much times? 6 times. That means 500 into 6 times will give us 506 times will give us 3,000. That's the answer. 3,000 is the answer. A shopkeeper sells an item at 25% profit. What is the selling price if the cost price is 200? So the answer is what? 250. Let's check. Cost price though 200 ase, then 100% of one nai. tai profit to 25% lap kana bikiri kura ase 25% lap kaina bikiri kura ase. That means here 125% hobo na nai. Yes, so here 100% iman ase uli do 25% is in terms of fraction is what, 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 200 rupees will give us 50 or no? 4 5 times. So 25% otia ase uli do 100 te 50 100% do 200 ase tadi 50 rupees olaile, which is 250 ujabo na nai. Yes, 250 ujabo. So C is the answer. I repeat, 100% do dai 200 rupees per kini ase. Will be bikiri kuram de 25% bra lap kaina bikiri kurase. So 25% is nothing but 1 by 4 fraction de, or you can find 25 divided by 100, you will get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into tam kinala tam 200 rupees. So khatile 50 rupees ase. That means itu lap kawul lagibo. That means 250 or bikiri kure lap kawuna nai. That's it. Next question number 68. Alright, this is from again alphanumeric series. So highest to alphanumeric series by again ase. Let's check. They're asking us to find how many samples. So samples as it could be, which are immediately preceded by letter, any letter, let's say A as it could be, and immediately followed by number. So 1. So sample, letter, sample, number. Letter, sample, number 1 as a, letter, sample, number 2 as a, letter, sample, number 3 as a, 4 as a, 5 as a, 6 as a. That means 6 is there. 6 is the answer. So this becomes classification as a. That means judgment is the answer. Verdict is what? Judgment as a. Next one is what? 70. If the side of a triangle is 3, 4 and 5. So here this one the triangle topic chanile. We can say this is right angle triangle because 3, 4, 5 is a triplet. Right, triplet as a. So right angle triangle. And with the help of Pythagoras theorem also. Pythagoras theorem also, 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. That will give us 25 each. Right. So right angle triangle as a. 71 is also alphanumeric series as a. Alphanumeric series as a. So how many such letters are there in below arrangement? Each of which is immediately preceded. That means letter causes, so any letter preceded by a number. That means letter nagi number ikta, and not immediately followed by a letter cause. That means that another letter naivo, but it can be number or sample. Right. So number alphabet. Number alphabet to do here number. Alright, yete nai, but yete number ase, alphabet ase, and then letter ra no lego. That means this is wrong. Number alphabet wrong. We have number alphabet wrong. Number alphabet nai. That means right. Let's check. Let's cross check it. How many such letters are there in the below arrangement, each of which preceded by a number and not immediately followed by a letter? That means it's either number, letter, or alphabet, or a number here. So 1, right? So number ko is a 3 as a number, letter, and this is what wrong, right? Number, letter nai wrong. Number, letter. Yes, we have 1 here, right? And then what else? Number, letter, and number. We have another one, number, letter, and number. And then let's check number, letter nai. So number, that's it. So I think it's 2, right? I think it's 2. Arrange this word in alphabetical order and tick the one that comes last. Abandon, alright, these are given. So far alphabet dictionary wise they usually do A var shuru krubo, but since all the starting letters is what A var shuru kruna say, let's go to the next one. Next is what? B as a. It is C as a, C as a, C as a, C as a. That means abandon must be first. Second will be what? C, 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 C as a. Let's go to third letter. T as a, C as a. Chance as a. Q as a, I as a. That means it is second as a. And then C, C, and then we have H as a. H as a. T as a. C as a. Alright. So first, second. Now let's check. T. H. That means 3 as a. now it will be D 4 ase. So this one last I wanna nai, because Q comes at the end, right, before D, after D I mean. So S T U V, alright, Q M N O P Q R S T, alright. No, wait a minute. Q comes first, that means this will be the answer. Either 5 no, either 4 no. Why? Because Q comes first, right? L M N O P Q R S T, that means T last I would, that means 4 will be here, 5 will be here. Yeah, the last one okay is this one A C T U A T E, that means it is an A C T U A T. Yes, how many such number again from alphanumeric series are there in the given series, which are immediately preceded by a symbol? Preceded by symbol means number nahagi symbol ase, not followed by a letter. Letter bar no lagibo, that means here symbol bit hobo or number bi hobo pare. So symbol number letter nai nolobo, right, because not immediately followed by a letter cause. Symbol number letter nolobo, symbol number symbol ase, and then next one is what? Symbol number symbol ase, symbol number nai, that means 2 ase. 2 is the answer. Next one, look at this series, right? Number series as again, what number should come next? 36, 34. So the difference kiman ase? 2 ase, minus 2, it is minus 4. Then we have minus 2, minus 4. That means here minus 2 wana nai. So minus ase. That means 24 minus 2 will give us 22. This is the answer. What is the missing number? 4, 9, 16, 25. So here, just by seeing it also, this is what? 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Then this becomes 6 square, no? Because 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, 6 square is what? 36 or no? So 36 is the answer. So that's it. Alright. 75 questions tagishe. Alright, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.